This is the Daicamping DL30 multi-tool that is supposed to be somewhat of a clone of Leatherman Wave. So it came, I ordered it from AliExpress. Came in this little box. Just says Daicamping multi-tool plier. Okay. We got a nice little, oops. Well, not so little, I guess. It's a nylon case with the belt strap. Pretty decent, actually. Here we have a few bits and a bit holder. We will compare this soon. Well, anyway, never mind. So, let's see what we got here. Some surgical blades, 5 of them. Scalpel blades, that is. Here is another scalpel blade, including the fixture and a cat. Here's something else, I think. Oh yeah, it's the I'm pretty sure, yeah, no, it's new. It's for the pliers, extra jaws, or cutting edges. And we have a couple of saw attachments, like that. One, it says for wood, and the other one for wood. Yeah, they are, that's strange. Well, come here, little cat. Bad boy. Oh yeah. So the teeth are different, as you can see here. Anywho, maybe we'll get back to that. They come in these little plastic sheets, which is kind of neat, actually. Keep them together. And here's the tool itself. Quite much larger than I expected, actually. And heavy. Wow, it's quite a tool. So this is being compared to the Leatherman Wave, and I have one here. And as you can see, it's quite a lot bigger. Yeah. Let's see, first time opening it. Let's see, like that. Okay. So yeah, it's not spring-loaded. There's, I don't know if you can hear this. Could be, I guess that will, yeah, it's not the, we can say smoothest, but it feels all right though. Here you can see the replaceable jaws in the, whatever it's called, cutoff. Let's start from the outside here. Oh, that's quite beefy. The bits holder. Compare this to the Leatherman Wave. The Leatherman Wave has more like a slim one. proprietary almost, while the Daicamping can take normal bits. It's not a huge issue with the Leathermans or the Leatherman Wave, because you can always make bits into this shape quite easily by yourself. But okay, so yeah, you get the Phillips head, and okay, it looks like a PH2 and a PH1. So I guess the flat driver is somewhere else inside the tool. There's also a ruler, two, one for centimeters, one for inches. The centimeters one is goes up to 9, and then I suppose, I don't know if you can do that like you can, if it's correct, then the 9 should continue and everything should match up. So then it's 10, 11, 12, and it goes to well, 20, I would say, 20 centimeters or 8 inches. Okay, here's the cat again. Hey, you, come here. Thank you. Okay, sorry, let's see what else we have here. We have a can opener, a flathead screwdriver, another flathead screwdriver, a bit bigger. We have an awl here, so 4 tools in there. Let's see what else we have on this handle. We have a serrated blade with a lot of burrs. Easy enough to fix, I guess, but we will try that in a bit. What else do we have? Anything? Oh yeah, a pair of scissors. Again, not spring-loaded. Do we have anything else on this side here? No, that's it on that side. Yeah, there should be a lock. Does it work though? So these tools inside the handle there should lock into position, and yeah, they do. Is it easy to unlock? Yes. Feels good. Nice and sturdy. Okay, the other side. On the outside we have the knife. No burrs there. Sharpness though, let's get back to that. Do these lock in place? They should. Yes, they do. And they have the same kind of lock release that the Leatherman has. What is it called? Inline lock. So just push there. What else do we have on this side? We have the sorry. Yeah, so this is the main reason I got the tool actually. It's an interchangeable, what do you call it? It's a holder. Let's see, so you can have different blades. Right now when there's a file, feels quite good on this side, and on this side it's supposed to be diamond coated, which also feels quite nice actually. And let's see how you change. I hope I'm not destroying anything. let's see. You can't. No, there has to be some kind of locking mechanism. Surely. Do you press? No. Ah. Okay. That was easy. So you just flip it like that. So this is what were on the tool. These are the ones that came with the tool, and you could also put this scalpel or razor holder here, which then turns it into a razor, and it has the normal way of clipping on the blades like that. And you can also have different types of blades. This is from something I had lying around. It's a metal blade. Let's see if it fits. It should fit. It does not fit. Try another one. Okay. This one should really fit. That one did not fit either. I bet you I have a few more. Let's see. Would you take this one? Yeah, surely. No, not even that one? Yes, you would. Okay. A bit rattly. Oh well. And this is, no manufacturer, but oh yeah, it's Lux. It's a cheap German brand. German nonetheless though. So I guess you have to check out which kind that fits. I'm not sure. Right now I have an assortment of old blades here. They all seem to fit my machines actually. I don't know if you can tell, I tried this one first. Well, I guess I digress now, but that looks like it should fit, but it doesn't. It didn't. With some slight modifications, I guess. Okay. So, let's test the sharpness of, it also has a liner lock. Let's test the sharpness of the blades. And does it open one-handedly? Yes, it does. Not the smoothest, but I'm sure it will get smoother over time. Let's try to cut some plastic. Do we have any paper here? Actually, we might have some paper. Yeah, we do. Okay, let's try to cut this paper. Yeah. Not the sharpest out of the box, but sharp enough. Let's see if we can do something about that real quick. This is just a leather strap with a bit of compound on it. Let's see. Another strap, pure leather. Let's see if that did anything. Yeah. Okay, that's much better. Oops. Not in there though. I have to rework the whole thing off camera, I guess. Let's try the serrated blade. Where did we have that one? There we go. Yeah, it's a bad test, but there's a lot of burrs on it. Yeah, no, does not look too good. Do we have anything we can cut with the serrated blade? The box. Yeah, well, I don't have anything really. I don't have any rope or anything, or do I? Shoestring. Well, it cuts, I guess. I have to rework that, I think. But it works. So, quite beefy. It feels quite much larger than the Leatherman Wave. Not as agile, if you will. Sorry. So yeah, it cut paper okay. I will have to do a... I mean, it works fine. I would prefer it to be a bit sharper. And I will sharpen it another time. So I'm back. This is another cat who decided to join us. Okay, so all in all, it's quite a neat. Neat. It's a hefty tool. It feels good, solid. Let's see here how it feels with everything. Okay, so I put the extra saw blades in here, the scalpel or the razor blade. Oh, there's actually something else in here. What is that? Let's see. Okay, it's the tool to change out the extra jaws. These ones, the extra cut-off jaws. Let's see if we can get it out there as well. It's like an Allen key, but but it's Torx screw. Yeah, it's Torx bit. Too small, so this one for that one, and the other one, no, that's the same size actually. That's strange. Okay. Well, that's not strange, I guess, but would be nice if there were two different sizes actually. Okay, cat. So yeah, it's for the interchangeable jaws. Let's see, let's put this back. Okay, that's nice. There actually is a little cutout for it there. So in here goes the saw blades. Does this fit here? No, it won't. Will it fit here? Yes, it will. Could be a bit more secure, I suppose, but it'll do. The jaws we put here. I guess these ones will stay at home as well. The tool itself and the extra bits. And what you get is a couple of different sizes of Allen bits, Allen keys, Allen wrenches. You get 4 different kinds of Torx. Smallest one, oh, they're quite easy to get out as well. Double-sided. So the Torx are T10, T15. So I suppose that's T20 and T25 then. Let's see if I can push it. Yes, you can. Okay, with the small indent with a ball bearing to keep them in place, and it's hard to see because the ball bearing, or they put the ball bearing where the text is, but yeah, that's 20 and 25. Also a couple of safety flatheads, flat head bits, and do we have any squares? No square, but 4 different types of the Allen keys. And this one goes in here. And so it's quite an inclusive kit you have here. You can do quite a lot with it. This is what it looks like in comparison with the Leatherman Wave. Oh, hey, you. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure if that's the one I got with the Wave though. Let me check. Yeah, no. So this is the one I got with the Leatherman Wave. The case. And when you compare them, the stitching is, I mean, comparable. Might say it's hard to say with the quality. Yeah, although I would say the Leatherman is a bit higher quality, even though this one is about 10 years old. And inside the case, with the case, this is the size comparison, and what is it called again? Daicamping is quite much heavier, I'd say. Still, let's see the weight. So in grams, with the case, or the pouch, the Leatherman weighs 266 grams, or what is that, 9.4 ounces, without 8.4 ounces, or 238 grams. Well, the Daicamping is, oh, that's almost half a kilo, 426 grams, or 15 freedom units. The tool itself, 12 ounces. So it's quite a beefy tool. Oh, there you go. I will try it out the next couple of days, see if it weighs me down too much or if it's all right on my hip. Maybe not an everyday carry, but when I plan to do other things in my shop or around my house, I might carry it. We'll see. Thanks for watching.